Hello my friends to today's episode on Grainificent. In today's episode, we will be opening up a package that we got from somebody. I suspect I know what it is, but it is packed in a very complicated way. But we got this. This box isn't needed. So what do we got here? That's a lot of paper here. There we go. Yep, just as I suspected. We got a Holga 120 CFN film camera, the model with the flash. I was talking with somebody recently about a camera or something like that, and then I got a package. That is a very weird mechanism here. I thought at first that it's broke because I've never seen a Holga, so I don't know how it should look like, right? But I'll record it for you. So when I opened it up, I found something like this. And I was worried that something is broken, but looks like that's how it's supposed to look like because when I pull the shutter, it works. So I assume that's how it's supposed to be. So a complete review we'll do in a different video. My God, this is plasticky. Oh, there's color filters on the flash. You got regular white flash, blue flash, yellow flash, and red flash. So that's interesting. I wonder how it will come out on a black and white photo. Where do I put in batteries in here? All right, well, I'm gonna have to get into some instructions here, how all this works. And I'll do some example photos at the end of this video. And stay tuned for a video talking more about this Holga, its review, how to use it, and everything else. So, enjoy the photos. Remember, when storing cameras and shipping them, you should never keep batteries inside. When not in use, take the batteries out. Now this selfie is multiple shots because I had a little problem firing the flash. Here I finally managed it, but I forgot to change the frame to take another photo. And here are some photos inside the house, checking the focus distance and sharpness and all that. And here are some outside, of course using flash as help in most of them. Here it was still too dark even after using flash. And of course you could see that there's light leaks starting to appear. And on all the photos you see that there's very strong vignette from this lens. Here by the end of the roll, when there is a lot rolled up in the pickup spool, it starts to push up the doors. And you got a lot of light leaks starting to come through. Here's me against the sun. And as you see, the final photos have major light leaks. So thank you for watching, my friends. Hit the like and subscribe button to see more, and see you in the next video. Take care.